Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write about connectors. We will write down different connectors in English language and we will also understand their use with the help of examples. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. In English grammar, connectors are conjunctive words that are used to link together similar elements in a sentence. In English, there are various connectors that can be used to express your thoughts better. These can be used to eliminate the need for single sentences and help connect sentences in a more logical manner. Now, let's learn about different connectors and we will understand their use with the help of examples. First one is and. I like coffee and tea. Next is but. For example, she wants to go out, but I want to stay home. Next is or. Would you like coffee or tea? Next is so. It was raining, so we stayed indoors. Next is because. Let's understand its use with the help of example. She stayed home because she was feeling unwell. Next is although, although. Although it was cold, he went out without a coat. Next, therefore. It is getting late, therefore we should leave now. Next, however, however. For example, she is a good student, however, she failed the exam. Next, moreover, moreover. For example, he is smart. Moreover, he is hardworking too. Next, furthermore, furthermore. She loves reading. Furthermore, she writes reviews. Next connector, INN, addition, in addition. He speaks French well. In addition, he knows Spanish. Next, on, the, other, hand, on the other hand. She likes tea. On the other hand, I prefer coffee. Next is INN, CONCLUSION, conclusion, in conclusion. Let's learn its example. In conclusion, I believe we should move forward with the plan. Next, MEANWHILE, meanwhile. Example, he was cooking dinner. Meanwhile, she was setting the table. Next, AS as ARESULT, result, as a result. He missed the bus. As a result, he was late for work. Next, DUE, due, TO2. Example, the event was cancelled due to bad weather. Next, INN, SPITE, spite, OF, off, in spite of. Example, in spite of the rain, in spite of the rain, they went for a walk. Next, REGARDLESS, regardless. Example, she went to the party regardless of the late hour. Next is SINCE, since. Example: he has been studying English since he was a child. Next, UNTIL, until. Example: wait here until I come back.